If OneNote is showing the unsupported server error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the safest way to fix it step by step without losing your notebook content. Before we make any changes, there's one very important thing to do first, and that is to protect your work. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, open OneNote and go to File, then Export, then Notebook. Save your notebook locally as a OneNote package file, also known as a .1pkg file. This step is important because it gives you a backup of your notebook in case there's any unsynced text that has not uploaded properly yet. Take a moment to make sure the export completes successfully before moving on. Next, in OneNote, click File, then Account, and sign out from all active accounts. If you have more than one account connected, remove them all for now. This helps clear out the broken connection that may be causing the server error in the first place. Now press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Here, look for any processes that may still be connected to OneNote or Microsoft syncing services. Find and end any tasks named OneDrive.exe, Groove.exe, MSO, Sync.exe, or OneNote.exe. If you see more than one of these running, end each one. This makes sure nothing is still trying to hold onto the old corrupted sync session. After that, search Windows for Credential Manager and open Windows Credentials. In the list of saved items, look under Generic Credentials. Delete any keys that start with MicrosoftOffice or OneDrive. These saved credentials can sometimes keep reusing bad login data, so clearing them out often helps OneNote reconnect properly. Now go back to the OneNote desktop app. In the notebook sidebar, right-click the notebook that is giving you the server error and choose Close this notebook. This removes the problematic notebook link from the desktop app so we can reopen it cleanly. Next, open your browser and sign in to OneNote Web. Search for your notebook online and open it from the web version. If the notebook loads correctly in the browser, that is a very good sign. It means the notebook itself is probably fine and the desktop connection is what needs to be refreshed. Once the notebook opens properly online, look for the Open in Desktop app button at the top. Click it to reopen the notebook in OneNote Desktop. This step is important because it remaps a fresh Cloud Sync container back into your desktop app, which can fix the unsupported server error and restore normal syncing. After that, give OneNote a few moments to reconnect and sync. If everything worked, your notebook should open normally again without the server error message. If needed, let it finish syncing completely before editing anything else. So to recap, you backed up the notebook, signed out of OneNote, stopped background sync processes, cleared saved credentials, closed the broken notebook, and reopened it through OneNote Web to create a fresh desktop connection. That is the cleanest way to fix this issue safely. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful OneNote and Windows tutorials. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment and I'll do my best to help.